Welcome to Tech Talk session on additive manufacturing in construction industry. I am Swathi, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering, Vedavyasa Institute of Technology. In this Tech Talk session, the following contents will be covered. What is additive manufacturing? History of 3D printing, principles, 7 categories of additive manufacturing, the role of additive manufacturing in civil engineering, its benefits, execution, opportunities, challenges, and future of additive manufacturing in construction industry. First of all, what is additive manufacturing? Additive manufacturing, AM, commonly known as 3D printing, is the construction of a 3D object from a computer-aided design, model, or a digital 3D model. It is the process in which material is deposited, joined, or solidified under computer control, with the material being added together, typically layer by layer. Available 3D printing processes tend to be additive in nature, with a few key differences in technologies and materials used in the process. History of 3D printing. The development in 3D printing dates back to 1970s, and the major development took place in 1980. With evolution of different technologies, the 3D printing gained popularity in the recent years, that is from 2019, and 3D printing has been used in various sectors of economy such as food processing industry, engineering sectors, construction, medical field, etc. Principles of additive manufacturing include modeling, printing, finishing, choice of materials, multi-material 3D printing, and 4D printing. A 2D object is placed inside a 3D photo booth to create the 3D printed object. 7 categories of additive manufacturing processes. The first one is vat photopolymerization, next material jetting, binder jetting, powder bed fusion, material extrusion, directed energy deposition, sheet lamination. The main difference between processes are the way in which these layers are deposited to create parts and the choice of different materials used in the process. Next is the role of additive manufacturing or 3D printing in civil engineering, especially in the construction industry. Additive manufacturing or 3D printing is an advanced technology that utilizes specialized printers to build structures by layering construction materials like concrete or composite mixtures, which can be used to create structural components or print the entire building. 3D printing is a tool that redefines building new infrastructures with improved efficiency and sustainability. 3D printing in construction can create intricate architectural designs and customized structures with efficiency. Construction-grade materials employed in 3D printing are concrete, mortar, or other composite mixtures optimized for building durability. There are many benefits of 3D printing for the construction industry, some of which are speed and efficiency. 3D printing technology helps in increasing the speed and efficiency of the materials in the construction industry. Next one is the cost saving. With increased speed and efficiency, cost saving can be enabled in the construction practices. Design flexibility and customization. With customer preferences and highly intricate designs are possible with 3D printing technology. Sustainability. Sustainability refers to the reduced materials usage and reduction in the material wastage, thus enabling reduction in the carbon footprint of the economy. Next is the enhanced safety. Remote construction, that is, 3D printing can be even adopted in remote locations and where there are disaster-prone areas. Next one is the structural strength and durability of the structural members. It also helps in man-machine integration, thus reducing the cost by 30% and time by 70%. It helps in reduced carbon footprint, that is 50% less material consumption and 30% more building energy efficiency. How 3D printing is executed in construction industry. 3D printing operates on a concept called layer-by-layer construction, that is, 3D printing adds materials in successive layers to build an object. The first process is a digital 3D model is designed using specialized computer-aided design, CAD software, or obtained through 3D scanning technologies. Above obtained model is then sliced into numerous thin horizontal layers to create a digital blueprint. These layers guide the 3D printer as it deposits materials by following the precise instructions from digital design. Large-scale 3D printers equipped with specialized nozzles or extrusion systems which are designed to deposit construction-grade materials layer by layer to build the entire structure. As the 3D printer begins its work, nozzles move along predefined paths, depositing construction material layer by layer. This layering process continues until the entire structure is complete. The slide shows the process in which a building is constructed using the 3D digital printer. There are several opportunities of 3D printing in construction industry, some of which are customization and innovation, on-demand construction, sustainable construction practices, cost effectiveness, job creation, and skill development. Apart from the opportunities, there are several challenges for the 3D printing in the construction industry, particularly scalability. Next is integrating electrical and mechanical services in the 3D printing of construction materials, construction site suitability, depending on the weather conditions and the disaster-prone areas, lack of standards and regulations. There are no specific codes or rules which enables 3D printing in the construction industry. And next is the threat from the hackers. The future of additive manufacturing in construction industry. Additive manufacturing or 3D printing transforms infrastructure with 3D printed bridges, culverts, trains, trenches, etc. and has great application in the marine industry. It helps in disrupting high-end individual housing with tech-enabled high-transparency platform for 3D printed green buildings. It helps in replacing the high carbon footprint and low efficiency walls and facade with lightweight, high-performance 3D printed panels. From this discussion, it could be concluded that 3D printing or additive manufacturing considered as an innovative solution for sustainable future with high-populous countries like India. It helps in delivering sustainability and aesthetics with minimal wastage. The slide shows the picture of world's first 3D printed steel bridge in Amsterdam, which was inaugurated in 2020. That's all about the Techtalk.